Hello students, how are you? As today weather is very cold, I want to bring something hot, something special to your blood through this story. Because the emotions, the love, the affection a person feels in his life brings warmth and care to that person. This story, Kabuliwala, is not simple story. Through this story, Rabindranath Tagore, he has tried to explain the importance of friendship, emotions, simplicity, care and dedication. All these things fill the life with warmth, with happiness. As soon as we hear this word, Kabuliwala, it gives a special image about a person who is tall, having robust personality, and who is carrying a long big sack of cotton, and in which he used to carry the dry fruits. This is, if you see, then you will find that Kabuliwala, he is just a simple person who is not very much good, who is very much filthy looking, dull. But the fact is that a Kabuliwala is not a filthy person. He is neat and clean, well built, but belongs to another country, another race, another tribe, another caste, another religion. It happened that in Afghanistan the situation was not very good, and the Afghans, they spread out in whole world, and wherever they could find for their livelihood, they found and did all sorts of work. Even they did the work of a cobbler. Here we are talking about a Kabuliwala who used to move on the streets of Calcutta. Today, what is Kolkata? This story is between a man who is about 50 years and a small child, a girl of 5 to 6 years. Now, when this girl sees first time the Kabuliwala, she became scared. But after some time, both of them became very good friends. See, through this story, the writer has tried to throw light on the importance of friendship. What a friendship is. What a true friendship is. First time, Minnie, the small child of the author, she became very scared. But after some time, Kabuliwala and Minnie became so good friends that people usually found them talking together for hours and hours and hours and sharing subtle jokes. That simplicity, that childish feeling, the childish behavior The Kabuliwala which showed explicit that was very much near to the heart of that small girl. But the time passed and Kabuliwala accused of murder and he was going to jail. The two friends used to share one word. Father-in-law's house. Father-in-law's house. The man understood very well the meaning of this, but the young child was unaware of the true meaning. She was very much not known to the world. And when she saw Kabuliwala in handcuffs, she commented in a childish manner, "Oh Kabuliwala, are you going to your father-in-law's house?" On this very comment, Kabuliwala, in a very childish, in a subtle behavior, commented and replied, "Oh Mini, I could have broken the nose of my father-in-law, but I couldn't because my hands are curved." After that, the time passed, and after a long time, one day, when the author was writing something, preparing some list, all of a sudden, a huge looking person with turban and beard appeared in front of him and saluted him. But at once, the author didn't recognize that person. The person was Kabuliwala. Kabuliwala had returned back after spending so many years in jail. When the author saw, "Oh, Kabuliwala is here," he became a little scared and confused what to do. Because that day, many guests had arrived at the author's house. When Kabuliwala asked, "What's the matter?" the author replied that it was Mini's marriage day. She was going to be married on that day. Kabuliwala didn't speak anything, only he requested the author to meet him with Mini. When the author refused to do so, Kabuliwala turned back and was going out. But at this moment, the author stopped him and called him back. Why? Because author saw the tears in the eyes of Kabuliwala and he felt the same pain what a father could feel about his daughter. And at once the author called Mini. Mini was totally well dressed in a bride costume. And today, when Kabuliwala commented, "Oh Mini, now you are going to your in-laws' house," Mini felt very shy and turned her face away. After a long time, they were meeting. Their friendship had broken up. That warmth of friendship had lost. And when Mini turned her face away, the author felt very bad to feel that now they were no more good friends. They were no more so close friends as they used to be. When they used to share subtle jokes, the childish behavior they showed for each other. Today they were behaving like unknown people. And when Minnie left the place, author gave him some money and asked him to return back to his family. The Kabuliwala felt the same as he could be going to marry his own child, own daughter, and went away. The author says that any relationship can not last forever unless and until both the people care for them. Unless and until they meet, they talk, and they exchange their feelings. Emotion is there in every relationship, but the relationship breaks when the emotion breaks. Thank you, children. We shall meet in next episode with new story. Till then, take care. Listen it. Be blessed.